Hello store owners. Today, I'll show you how to restrict your wholesale customers to specific shipping methods at checkout. I'll map a wholesale role to just one shipping method, then log in as a wholesale customer to prove they only see the option I chose. Let's get into it. Let's head into the wholesale settings and open the shipping tab. In the wholesale role and shipping method mapping section, I'll first pick my wholesale role, wholesale customer. I'll leave use non-zone shipping methods set to no, since I'm using a normal shipping zone. Next, I'll choose my shipping zone, Australia. Then I'll pick the one method I want this role to use. Let's give them free shipping. Finally, I'll click add mapping and the rule is saved. From now on, this role will only ever see free shipping in that zone. Every other method is hidden. Now, let's switch over to the customer's side. I'm logging in here as one of my wholesale customers, so we can see exactly what they get at checkout. Now, I'll pop a product into my cart and head to the checkout page. And here we are. Take a look at the shipping options. My wholesale customer only sees free shipping, the single method I mapped to their role. Every other option, like the standard flat rate, is completely hidden from them. And that's how you control the shipping methods your wholesale customers can use. If you have questions, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.